A4 size flex to show that, yes, this is the party that we belong to. Now, not to talk much about what my chief has just said, immediately before the election, there was a directive, and from who? From our former leader, the Right Honorable Amaechi, which even most of the candidates and leaders know. I can also bring them live. They can also testify that this is the statement from our leader, that APC should vote Atiku Abubakar. After the election, as a party, we decided to assess how the outcome of the party, our performance during the election. And we found out that most of our leaders did anti-party. So at that point, we sat as ESCOs and we suspended the former chairman, Emeka Beke, and the legal advisor. It was lingering. We went to court, if you can see, the State High Court. An order was given. Now, in that order, we are there. This party, that is the party, the national, not the state chapter, went to an appeal. You can see the order there too from the appeal. Yeah. Now, went to appeal, and in the appeal, they withdrew, and that matter was dismissed. And that shows that that order ceased. As a party, they've gone, they've withdrawn, and that matter, that particular matter was dismissed at the appeal court. And I've never seen any counter judgment or order coming from any court. Now, these same persons that were suspended, there is another paper there, knows the back, went also on appeal, and that matter is still in the appeal. Nobody has called for it. So I'm just surprised, maybe because of the relationship, at the National Secretariat, maybe because of the former minister relationship. In a meeting, National Working Committee meeting, it was said as APC they called. I know APC to be a party that obeys the court. One or two persons sneaked this man in. And I made my formal complaint, and that is it. But as we stand right now, I want to tell you what, I am still the acting chairman. Because as a party that we are, we cannot go against the judiciary. Our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a man that respects court orders. We cannot be different from that. So that is currently the position of the party in Rivers State. And we are very ready to go to any length. We are not that desperate. If you have any counter to what we have, we'll step aside and the party will move on. But as we speak, that is the position we have.